Good afternoon, viewers. I am Deepak Kumar Bhattacharya from Calcutta Business School. Today, I am indeed excited to inform you that Calcutta Business School has already announced launching of a certificate program on financial management and banking operations. This is an online certificate program commencing on 1st August 2020 and end on 6th September 2020. All the sessions will be in the evening, and sessions will be 3 days in a week, that is Saturday, Sunday and Wednesday. In Saturday, there will be one session from 6 p.m. On Sunday, there will be two sessions, one from 4 p.m. and another from 6 p.m. On Wednesday, one session from 7 p.m. and thus the total duration of the program is 33 hours, and there will be 22 sessions of 1 hour 30 minutes each. Since we have already announced this program on 16th July, and we observe that a good number of people have already registered for this program, and I personally and also on behalf of Calcutta Business School welcome you all, those who have already registered, and necessary communication will reach to you soon, very soon. Those who are listening to me, I personally request to all of you to visit our website, that is www.calcuttabusinessschool.org, and go through the brochure uploaded already, wherein you will find the details of the certificate program. Now let me share you the background towards developing and launching this certificate program. Certificate program. And in these last 5-6 months, due to the pandemic, the entire world is passing through severe crisis. At this point, this entire situation can be expressed with only one suitable word, that is uncertainty. Yes, total uncertainty. And like everyone, we also seen the media, we have discussed about present scenario, we have discussed about economy, we have discussed about industries, and we also discussed about government plans and everything. We try to discuss many things. And we have observed the sufferings. There are huge job losses, salary cut, terminations, and many undesirable things. And after considering all, one specific and common and specific area that emerged in front of us that impacted everyone, that finance. And more particularly, the lack of financial planning. So this certificate program on this financial management and banking operation has developed. And we have designed this program in such a way that will cater all who wants to know the available financial avenues, their characteristics, and how these avenues can be beneficial. Now these sessions, I am one of the coordinators of this program, along with Professor Dr. Tamal Datta Chaudhary sir. The sessions will be taken by our teacher, Dean of Calcutta Business School, Professor Tamal Datta Chaudhary, who did his PhD in economics from the Johns Hopkins University, USA. He was associated with various organizations and institutes of India and abroad since the last more than 40 years. It is not simply not possible for me to tell about all his achievements. However, I request you to go through the brochure of the program, where you will find a short profile of Watson. He will be taking sessions on financial management part and I believe that those sessions will be lifetime experience. Here I would like to mention that Professor Datta Chaudhary has already conducted one Facebook Live like me on 16th of this month, the recording of which is available in the Facebook. I request you to pay a visit to that also. However, the banking part will be taken care by me. I was a banker for more than 35 years. On September 18, I retired from the service as Center in Charge, Staff Training Center, Union Bank of India. And I am now associated with Calcutta Business School. The fees for this certificate program is 2,000 rupees. The registration process is available in the website. After registration, from the website, you have to make the payment through NEFT or IMPS. Bank details are available in the registration form. I know that you must be going through the details of the program from our website. However, let me share you a short description of the topics which we are going to cover in this program. We shall start this program with the financial market. Here you will know the capital market, bond market, foreign exchange market, different institutions, and different terms used in the financial market. Our next topic is fundamental analysis of companies, analyzing a company through metrics of business efficiency, business effectiveness, innovativeness, sustainability, and different ratios related to the financial position of the companies will be discussed thoroughly to know the financial stability and strength of the companies. Our third topic is very, very interesting. It is the stock market investing and technical analysis. Technical analysis of price movement will be discussed here. Buy and sell strategies will be discussed thoroughly. Here I would like to mention that our teacher, Professor Datta Chaudhary, participates actively in the stock market and uses technical analysis extensively for his decisions. Fourth topic is options trading and Greeks. Thorough discussion will be on call and put options, option strategies, and introduction of Greeks. Delta, gamma, theta, vega, these are the four factors to measure the risks. We know the mutual funds. We have heard a lot about mutual funds. That will be discussed here also. Mutual fund and performance metrics. Various types of mutual funds, how it works, and metrics will be discussed for performance analysis. This will enable you to choose the mutual fund. Under banking operations, we shall discuss a little about banking services, different liability products, and different asset products also, corporate customers and the products used by the corporate customers, and few major government-sponsored schemes which are normally implemented through the banks. Working capital assessment. How banks assess working capital limit for different firms, we will discuss thoroughly in this. We shall also discuss the fund flow and cash flow. These are the two statements, are very, very important statements which we will also discuss here. Project analysis and valuation, importance of financial projects and sectoral analysis, structuring of project appraisal report, case study discussion will be done, and different ratios to assess the viability of the project. And we shall complete our program by discussing the risk management, which is very, very important to take care of the risk in every financial market, in every financial positions. Value at risk, downside risk, probability default, hedging with futures and options. We shall also discuss the Basel guidelines and their implications. Folks, I am confident that topics and contents will give you an overall understanding how the financial market operates and also how you can utilize these avenues. So, if you want to upgrade your skills in financial market, if you want to have a better grip in personal finances, if you want to build a solid savings base, join this program. And your first step will be investing 2,000 rupees. It is not paying the fees. It is you have to invest rupees 2,000 fees to join the program. Lastly, all participants having attendance of 60% or more will be provided with a e-certificate after completion of the course. So, no more today. Thanks for listening. I end my sessions with an appropriate slogan. It is earn your money, invest it, make it grow, and protect it. I'll repeat, earn your money, invest it, make it grow, and protect it. Bye to all. Be careful. Considering the present scenario, maintain all the guidelines issued regarding COVID. Stay safe and stay healthy. See you on 1st August. Thank you.